Sulwhasoo First Care Activating Serum Review, the K-Beauty cheat code everyone swears by. Friday night, I'm wiping off makeup, staring at my reflection, skin looking like it lost a fight with the desert. I reach for yet another hydrating toner that promised the world and delivered nothing. Ever felt like your skincare is just expensive water? Drop same if your products are ghosting you too. That dull, tight, I washed my face and somehow got drier feeling that makes you pile on more layers just to feel normal. You chase glow, you chase plump, but everything sits on top like it's scared to commit. Imagine if one step actually woke your skin up instead of putting it to sleep. Then I finally caved and tried Sulwhasoo First Care Activating Serum. 2 pumps, warm it in my palms, pat it on damp skin, immediate cool rush, like my face just exhaled. The 500-hour age ginseng hits different. Skin drinks it and stays full. JAUM Activator, those 5 sacred Korean herbs, balances everything so your next products actually sink in instead of sliding off. Vitamin C fades the tired look without stinging. One esthetician friend was racing a bridal party prep, skin freaking out from stress. She slapped this on first, layered the rest, and the bride literally teared up at how glowy she looked. That moment when your skin finally feels alive again, yeah, that's the magic. Here's what happens when you actually commit. Your serums work twice as hard, your makeup stops separating by lunch, your fine lines chill out, and you get that quiet, "what are you using?" glow people can't place. A famous K-beauty derm in Seoul calls it the foundation of every good routine in Korea. Beauty editors say it's the reason Korean skin looks filtered in real life. One girl in her 40s told me her esthetician gasped because her dehydration lines vanished in 6 weeks. My own mom, who hates skincare fuss, now guards her bottle like gold. Her skin looks plumper than mine some days. The only pushback I ever hear is, "it's pricey." Then they try it once and realize one bottle lasts 4 months and fixes everything else they were wasting money on. This is exactly why thousands of us won't shut up about Sulwhasoo First Care Activating Serum right now. Which promise sounds most dangerous to your wallet? Glass skin or finally using 1 pump of everything else? So imagine opening your eyes tomorrow and your skin just behaves. Hydrated, bouncy, quietly expensive looking, like you actually drink water and sleep, LOL. Join the K-beauty obsessives, brides, and 35-plus women who already made Sulwhasoo First Care Activating Serum their non-negotiable and never looked back. I dropped my affiliate link in the description and pinned comment. Full disclosure. Just click, try it yourself, no pressure. If it's for you, awesome. If not, no big deal. See you on the inside when your skin thanks you.